Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Amazon Fire HD8 2022 tablet. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the tablet and then remove the back cover. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the charger port or on the side using a plastic triangular pick or car pry tool. Next, using both plastic car pry tool and opening pick, gently move around the tablet to free the plastic clips securing the frame. This process will take time and be gentle. Next, take out the back cover and then disconnect the battery plug from the logic board. Next, take out the not working battery from the body. First, peel the adhesive from the battery. There are 3 adhesive tabs on this model. Please note that the number of adhesive tabs or adhesive methods can be vary due to previous repair history. There are 3 adhesive tabs located on the bottom side of the battery. Gently peel and pull out the adhesive strips using fingers or tweezers. This process will take time and gently pull out the battery from the body. Next, place the new battery on the body with adhesive. Next, secure the battery connector to the board. Next, gently align the back cover with the body. Starting from the top corner, press gently but firmly until you hear the click sound. Continue the process around the frame. Gently apply even pressure along the seams to secure all clips. Ensure all clips are secured without any gaps. Next, turn on the device for testing. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.